What's going on, everybody? My name's Cody Jones and I'm with eXp Realty, and every day I help buyers and sellers just like you level up their house game. Maybe you're a renter looking to purchase their first home, or you already have a home that you're looking to sell and upgrade. Regardless the case, let's help you level up. If you're a renter and you're looking to purchase your first home, we're going to talk about things like, what do you want in your next home? Do you want a fenced-in backyard? Are you looking for a certain number of bedrooms and bathrooms? What location do you want to be in? And then, more importantly, we're going to talk about when your lease ends. And we're going to talk about how much it costs to get you out of that lease. So all of those factors considered, we can help you level up. If you currently have a home and you're looking to sell, we're going to talk about your listing plan. And we're going to figure out the best way to help you transition from the sale of your current home into the purchase of your new home seamlessly. Now, not every real estate transaction is simple, but regardless, I will be there for you every step of the way. If you have any questions, my number will be your best friend. If you're looking to buy or sell a home in the Acadiana area, I would love to interview for the job. It's so important to have a trusted real estate advisor by your side, someone who can look out for your best interest. And that's what I do every day. My contact information will be in the description box below, so you can get a hold of me anytime. And then if you're buying a home, there's going to be a video that's called 10 Steps to Buy a Home. And take a watch of that video and it'll help you understand the process. If you're looking to sell your home and you're not looking to have a real estate agent list your home right away, there's going to be a video that's called How to Sell Your Home Fast for Sale by Owner. And as always, if you're looking to list your home because you don't want to field all the phone calls, you don't want to set up the showings, and you really don't want to deal with other real estate agents, then give me a call, because we can talk about your listing plan and how to sell your home as quickly as possible in whatever market you're in. Again, my name's Cody Jones. I'm with eXp Realty, and I'm so excited to help you achieve all of your real estate goals. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and hit that bell button down at the bottom so you get notified when I post a new video. I do post content regularly, so I post videos all the time about what's going on in the current market, homes for sale in the Acadiana area, as well as just general process information, so how to buy and sell homes. Like I said, if you have any questions, my number's down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.